Hello, I'm Dr. John Marino, and I'm teaching the composition and community class in the spring semester. In that class, we are experiencing the idea of writing in community, the idea that the best way to learn to write is to teach each other to write. And what we do in that class is we have a lot of group work as well as individual writing assignments, and we are going to learn how to tutor in that class, how to help each other to write. And in that class, we are going to read articles about tutoring and helping each other to write in a community. And we are going to discuss those articles, and we are going to write about those articles. And then we are going to write a project regarding a case study and how to tutor in different aspects of the best ways to tutor, and we are going to have discussions. And the best way to write, the principle of the class is that the best way to write is to help each other to write. And so it'll be a lot of group work and a lot of individual work with helping each other to write, as well as working in a community. And so I think it's going to be an exciting class. I think it's a class that anybody can take. You do not have to have any tutoring experience. You can be brand new to tutoring, and it's a good class for anyone to take who wants to enrich their writing experience and their ability to communicate with other people.